So this product is the beard and brow filler. It does exactly what it says. It's going to fill in your beard and your brow to give you a more defined, fuller look. Step 1, this may sound really obvious, but please remember to sharpen your pencil, because the sharper the pencil is, the more defined and natural the hairs are going to look. Step 2, take the comb on the back of the brush and comb the hair straight. This is so you can see the gaps within your brow and your beard. Take the pencil and start filling in those gaps. That will give you a much more defined, fuller look. Step 3, take the brush and use this to blend. So any thickness or any areas that you can really see, just blend out the product to make it nice and even and have a natural finish. So that's the beard and brow filler. It's a really simple product to use, but has a great effect. So go and check it out.